Do you know how much waste heat is produced by your compressor? How about how much energy is blown into the environment? As the energy price and demand are growing globally, it's becoming more and more valuable. Up to 94% of the electricity input to a compressor is converted to waste heat. So, instead of wasting it, we can convert it into a more sustainable solution. That's where energy recovery comes in. What is energy recovery, you might ask? Energy recovery simply uses the waste heat of your compressor for other useful operations. Through this, we can convert heat into heat again, use it to cool, or even use it to create more electricity. It's a versatile solution that will generate a large amount of savings, and utilizing this waste heat has already proven its efficiency. Till now, our energy recovery solutions has already helped save 1.3 billion kilowatt-hours, 809,000 tons of CO2, and 1.36 million trees. Atlas Copco's energy recovery solutions will get you one step closer to a low-carbon utility room, with increased efficiency, more savings, and a greener future for all of us.